Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue our journey through New Kingston. Now straight ahead, that very tall white building is what used to be the Wyndham. It's now going to be a part of the Courtly. So this is Dominica Drive, and as we drive through you're going to notice most of the roads in New Kingston are named after Caribbean countries. So on the right is KFC, and as you can see, KFC has no parking, so people have to park on the road. I don't know if this thing on the left here is their official parking, but there you can see this is Jamaica, folks. Practically can do anything you want on the road. I mean, you will get a ticket sometimes if the police see you, but most times people just do whatever they want. Okay, so we're now going on to Knutsford Boulevard. Straight ahead, that tall building, I'm going to adjust the camera so you can see it. That used to be the Citibank building, but it's now the Sagicor Sigma is the name on the building. So if anybody knows why that building changed names, did Citibank move out? Did Citibank own the building and Sagicor took it over, or was it always a Sagicor building? Well, I find it very strange. I didn't know that the building had changed names. That's the building. So if anybody knows the history behind that, you can post it in the comment section. Okay, so New Kingston is like the Wall Street of Jamaica, very busy business district or area. So on the right you have all the food places like Burger King, Island Grill, Juicy Patties is somewhere down there. So a lot of people use this place during the day. And this is one of the few places where you're going to find every bank in Jamaica has a location or a branch. From Victoria Mutual, Jamaica National, NCB, BNS, all the major banks, First Caribbean, have a location in this area. And you're also going to find a lot of hotels, because persons coming in to do business would stay right at the hotel in New Kingston. And it's literally walking distance from the hotels to where we are now on Knutsford Boulevard. And most times those hotels are booked out. Okay, on the right is a Porsche dealership, on the left is a Starbucks office. Wow, I think I could maintain on some. Also, a lot of government agencies and ministries have offices in New Kingston. And as you can imagine, the rent here is premium. I think it costs more to rent an office in New Kingston than it does downtown. And that includes the waterfront, Ocean Boulevard, overlooking the harbor. This is probably the most expensive commercial real estate in Jamaica. There used to be a few nightclubs in New Kingston. I'm not sure if they still operate. I think Asylum. And then you had a sports bar. It used to be very popular at night. But I don't think they have them anymore. On this road, Trinidad Terrace had a nightclub on it too. Okay, let's turn down Trinidad Terrace and see what's going on. But I noticed nightclubs in Jamaica, they don't last very long. Maybe that's just the trend all over the world. Okay, so on the left is the FedEx office, on the right is the police station. Okay, on the left is center field. That looks like a call center. I don't see any sign for any center field. Okay, over here is Treasure Hut Gaming, so that's a casino. I don't see any. I guess the nightclub isn't here anymore. Okay, this obviously it's a taxi, blowing and driving like a madman, so we just let him pass. Okay, on the right, that construction you see that's the Wyndham property, and that's the hotel that's being renovated to become part of the court. Wow, it's a massive construction going on over there, and that hotel has been closed for years, many years, like before COVID. If I was to guess, I'd say for about 5 years. So that's some serious construction going on. What's going to happen is the court, there was a separate hotel from the Wyndham, but they were side by side. So they're now in the process of renovating the Wyndham, and then both properties will be one, which will just have two different hotel structures, I guess block A, block B, but everything is going to come under the Courtly name, and it's just one property. Okay, on the right is the Courtly Center. Courtly seems to be doing very well in Jamaica. It used to be the Island Life Center or the Island Life Mall, and now the Courtly operates it. Now up here on the right is the Spanish Court Hotel. Seems like a very nice hotel. Okay, so we're now on Tobago Avenue. The road we just turned off of was St. Lucia Avenue. We can see some soldiers crossing the road. The soldiers in Jamaica assist the police for day-to-day operations. So that's why sometimes you see the jeeps and a lot of them, but they usually assist the police. Okay, here is a jeep for them, but they are not allowed to go on the road by themselves, not unless, I'm not sure exactly how it goes, but you usually see them with the police because the soldiers can't just stop you like that. The police can stop you and ask you for ID, but the soldiers can't do that unless under certain circumstances, like a state of emergency, or I'm not sure the details, but that's why you always see the police with the soldiers, and the soldiers with the police. You don't see the police with the soldiers out by themselves unless it's a Zozo or a state of emergency or something like that. Yeah, that's a nice view of the Courtly Center. Okay, so this is St. Lucia Avenue. Now we're going to turn on to Barbados Avenue. You also find a lot of insurance companies in this area. Basically, any company to do with finance. If they are a major player in the industry and basically if they can afford the rent, this is where you're going to find them. You don't usually see like over here now, this person is doing, but I don't know if you can see it. I don't want to move the camera, but you don't usually see people on the street side selling, but there's a person right here at this intersection doing it. But it's very rare to see that in New Kingston. And there was a time when they used to have records that drive up and down the records were based in New Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.